Hey everyone, welcome back to the Blender Nexus YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting: advanced Anime-Style NPR Shaders in Blender. If you're looking to take your toon shading skills to the next level, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through some advanced techniques that will give your 3D models that amazing, stylized anime look. Let's get started. First, add a UV sphere and go to its menu and change the subdivisions to 3 or 4. Then go to Render, scroll down, and in Color Management, change the View Transform to Standard instead of Filmic. Then apply the Subdivision Surface modifier to the UV sphere and set its levels to 2. Then apply the Displace modifier to it, add a new texture, and go to Texture and select its type Cloud. Go back to the Modifier panel and change its strength to 0.3. Then go to the Render workspace and add a point light and move it a little higher on the Z-axis and set its power to 80W. And move it a little to the right side. You can turn its shadow on or off if you want. Then add another point light and move it slightly downwards and place it close to your object. And increase its power to 30W. We'll talk about changing the color of this second point light later, but for now, leave it white, remembering that we'll convert these point lights to area lights later, which will make our Anime-Style NPR shader look even better. Let's do some texturing on it now. Open the shader editor and delete the principal BSDF. Add diffuse BSDF, shader to RGB, color ramp, and hue saturation value nodes. Connect them together as you see on the screen. Change the type of the color ramp from linear to constant and increase the white color a little and add 2 more colors to it by clicking on the plus sign. You can keep their colors as you wish, or you can give them the colors I am giving. After giving the color, adjust them properly like I am doing. After adjusting the light and colors well, slightly increase the power of this second point light. As we have already discussed that we will convert these point lights to area lights, so let's convert it and see what changes are made to it. After converting to an area light, reduce its power a little and scale the area light a little. Now if you want the color of this second light to change, connect the color of the shader to RGB, to the color of the hue saturation value node. Now you can give it any color you want, but first convert the point light to an area light. Many of you may be wondering why we converted a point light to an area light. The reason is that colors in a point light will not appear correctly as they would in an area light. If you want, you can leave it as is, but I'll right-click and shade smooth for myself. It looks even better to me. Let's now apply outlines to this NPR shader to give it a better look. Now in this video I will not teach you how to make outlines because I have already taught you in the first 2 toon shader videos. If you want to learn, I will give you the link to those videos in the description. Or you can do it with me like I'm doing in this video. Now as you can see, our Anime-Style NPR shader is ready. Now you can make any changes you want to it. And that's a wrap for today's advanced Anime-Style NPR Shaders tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to practice these techniques on your own projects. Remember, the more you experiment, the better your results will be, so keep pushing those creative boundaries. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd love to have you along for more tutorials in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be on my way now. Don't forget to practice and keep improving. See you in the next video.